Alright, I'm back. Engine's been tested. Now we're pulling the V6 off the Firebird. Remember that all these F-body Firebirds and Trans Ams and Camaros, you gotta pull the engine out from the bottom by releasing the K-member, which is just 6 bolts on the K-member, 4 bolts on the sway bar, and 8 bolts on the, is it the shock studs? Yeah, there's 4 here, 4 over there, which makes 8. Right now I have a towing rope right there holding the AC compressor, because that is something I don't want to open yet to remove, but the engine's coming out now. Since I don't have a lift, I'm just putting blocks under, as stacking them as I lift it with my car jack. But yeah, all these engines, you remove them from the bottom of the car. That's how they're designed to be removed. You can also do it from the top, but it's more of a pain if you don't want to remove the whole thing. This way you can remove the engine, transmission, and everything out all at once. Just make sure you always got clearance and everything disconnected from the motor. Wiring harness, fuel lines, and all that. Alright, we got the engines out from under both. This one we just gotta roll it out. We got it out. Use the tractor to hook up the car and lift it. Now we're about to pull it. And there it goes. LS1 swap for this one. Keep y'all updated. This thing is lightweight. Picked it up like nothing. Camaro. And they crushed the shit out of it.